Looking for quick and delicious appetizers for your next gathering? You've come to the right place. Today we're unveiling two appetizer recipes that are simply a delight for your taste buds and a breeze to whip up. Perfect for any occasion, these culinary creations are a surefire way to impress your guests, even if you're relatively new to the kitchen. From intimate dinners to grand celebrations, these appetizers will be the stars of your menu. Ready to wow your guests with these appetizing treats? Stay tuned. First up, we have our mini caprese bites, a delightful blend of mozzarella tomatoes and fresh basil. The beauty of this appetizer lies not just in its taste, but also its simplicity. To whip up these bites, you'll need fresh cherry tomatoes, mini mozzarella balls, and fresh basil leaves. Start by slicing the cherry tomatoes in half. Now take one half of a tomato, add a mozzarella ball, a fresh basil leaf, and then top it with the other half of the tomato. Secure everything together with a toothpick. Repeat this process until you have enough skewers for your guests. Once you're done, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over the skewers, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and voila! Your mini caprese bites are ready for serving. These bites are not just delicious, but also vibrant and visually appealing, making them a perfect party appetizer. And there you have it, mini caprese bites, a refreshing appetizer that's sure to impress. Next, we have the smoked salmon and cream cheese cucumber bites, a savory appetizer with a refreshing crunch. To whip up these bites, you'll need some fresh cucumbers, smoked salmon, cream cheese, and dill for garnishing. Start by slicing your cucumbers into thick rounds. These will serve as the sturdy base for your bites. Now take your cream cheese and whip it until it's light and fluffy. This makes it easier to spread on your cucumber slices. Once that's done, layer on a piece of smoked salmon. You can fold it, roll it, or cut it into shapes for a bit of fun. To finish, garnish each bite with a sprig of dill. This not only adds a pop of color, but also a burst of flavor that complements the salmon beautifully. And there you have it, voila! Smoked salmon and cream cheese cucumber bites, a crowd pleaser that's as tasty as it is visually appealing. There you have it, two quick and delicious appetizers that are sure to make your next gathering a hit. Remember, we've whipped up mini caprese bites and smoked salmon and cream cheese cucumber bites. Make these delightful dishes and let us know how they turned out in the comments section. We can't wait to hear about your culinary adventures. For more delicious recipes and exclusive deals, click the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Happy cooking!